We've spent hours looking at real customer reviews, product descriptions, as well as applying our own insight. With this information, we have the best car trash cans to recommend to you today. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best car trash can. So let's get started. Number 5. Quarkus Car Trash Can. As a parent, you'll be familiar with the mess your car can accumulate. Also, the thought of having a trash can in a moving vehicle might seem like a terrifying thought. What if the kids spill it? Or start to play in the trash? Well, with the Quarkus trash can, you can rest assured that won't happen. First, the lid velcros shut so the kids never need to open it. It also hangs, so you can keep it in the front seat near you if you prefer. The last thing that ensures tidiness is the opening hole at the top. You can squeeze trash through there, instead of opening the lid right up. This also ensures that trash won't fall out if your kid bumps into the can, or you are driving round tight corners. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. How's Simple Spill-Proof Auto Trash Can. Plastic trash cans are durable and easy to clean, even if they're not the most budget-friendly of our options. However, the How's Simple Spill-Proof Auto Trash Can is worth the slightly higher price tag. It has a 1.4-gallon capacity, which is great for families or long road trips. Declutter and clean up messes with this product. The weighted, double Velcro flaps keep the trash can in place even while you're driving fast or turning round tight corners. So even if it's full to the brim, this trash can is unlikely to tip over and spill. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. MMZX Car Trash Can. Cup holder trash cans are super compact and practical. While they don't hold as much trash in terms of capacity, they are inexpensive and easy to use while driving. We recommend getting a couple, some for the front passengers and some for the back. The MMZX cup holder trash can has a unique design. You can easily open this one-handed, so it's safe to use while driving. Plus, the lid tilts at a downward angle to minimize odor spreading when you do open the trash can. 15-ounce capacity is definitely smaller than some of our other options, but it's a great size for a cup holder trash can. It's quick and easy to empty it out when you stop for gas or when you arrive back at home. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Coli Alma Vehicle Garbage Can. With this trash can, there won't be any trash can on your car floors. Place this trash can anywhere on the car floor to prioritize convenience for all passengers. It stays put, even while highway driving or driving round corners and bends. The anti-slip arms with spikes on the bottom stabilize the trash can equally on both sides. You don't need to worry about messes and spills while driving. It has a 1-gallon capacity, which is a good size for families and long road trips. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. UTSA Car Trash Can. On a budget? No need to compromise getting a high-quality car trash can. The UTSA Car Trash Can is at an appealing price point, but is still an amazing choice. First, it's leak-proof. Don't worry about coffee, tea or food spills in your car. You can use this trash can for wrappers, tissues, papers as well as food and drink waste. It can be hung from the back of your seat, gear stick, glove box or seat belt buckle. It's very compact, so it fits in most cars without taking up much room at all. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best car trash, and just for you.